Hello friends. Welcome to my Smart Assistant channel. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to edit messages on Instagram. Whether you want to correct a typo, add something new, or simply enhance the content of your messages, these instructions will help you make use of the editing feature on Instagram. Stay with me until the end to learn. So, let's get started then. First, go to your Google Play Store or App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, tap Update and wait a few seconds for the app to update. Once you've done that, tap Open to enter Instagram. Now, you can go into a direct message and try out that option. Choose the user you want to send a message to, then type what you want and send it. After sending, long press on that message, then in the drop-down menu, tap on the Edit option. Now, you can delete part of the text or add more text. Now, when you send the edited message, above the text, it will say Edited, and your conversation partner will see that you've made changes to that message. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, tap like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you.